Welcome back to React interview questions. Our next question is: how would you track pagination, loading, and error states? I would usually separate the states clearly so the UI remains predictable and easy to manage. For pagination, I would track things like current page or cursor, total pages if the backend provides it, has more flag to know whether more data exists. For loading, I prefer having dedicated loading states instead of a single generic boolean. For example, initial loading when the first data fetch happens, loading more when fetching the next page during the infinite scroll. That helps show the right UI feedback without blocking the whole screen unnecessarily. For errors, I would store error state separately with meaningful messages from the API if available. If loading the first page fails, I would probably show a proper error state with retry support. But if loading additional pages fails, I would avoid clearing existing data and instead show a small retry option near the bottom. In React, I would manage these either with useState for smaller apps or with something like React Query, Zustand, or Redux Toolkit for larger applications. If I use React Query, a lot of this becomes cleaner because it already handles loading, caching, pagination, retries, stale data management, and error states efficiently. I also try to prevent race conditions and duplicate requests by disabling additional fetches while one request is already in progress.